Hello, and welcome to our channel, your gateway to the world of online entrepreneurship and business innovation. We're here to help you transform your dreams into a thriving online reality. In today's episode, we've got something special in store for you. As we dive into the top 5 online businesses you can start in 2024 with just $1,000. Stay tuned, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. 1. E-commerce, your online store. The e-commerce industry has witnessed explosive growth in the past decade, and this trend shows no signs of slowing down. With your $1,000, you can establish your very own online store. Select a niche that genuinely interests you, be it fashion, electronics, handmade crafts, or anything else close to your heart. A key to success in e-commerce is to find unique products, create compelling product listings, and provide impeccable customer service. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy make it easy to get started. Your initial investment can cover expenses such as inventory, website design, and marketing. E-commerce offers a versatile range of opportunities, from selling physical products to dropshipping, where you partner with suppliers who handle inventory and shipping on your behalf. The key to success is selecting the right niche and products, understanding your target audience, and effectively marketing your online store. Effective marketing can be achieved with a variety of strategies, from social media advertising and search engine optimization, SEO, to email marketing. You can start small and scale your efforts as your business grows. 2. Dropshipping, minimizing risk, maximizing gain. If you're risk-averse and looking for a business with minimal upfront investment, dropshipping might be the answer. With just $1,000, you can set up an online store and partner with suppliers who handle inventory, packaging, and shipping on your behalf. Your $1,000 can be allocated toward website setup, marketing, and customer service. The beauty of dropshipping lies in the fact that you don't need to invest in inventory upfront, significantly lowering financial risk. Focus on product selection and building a strong brand to watch your business flourish. In a dropshipping business, your primary responsibility is to drive traffic to your online store, select the right products, and provide excellent customer service. With the right strategies, you can build a successful dropshipping business without ever handling physical products. 3. Affiliate marketing. Promote, profit, repeat. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic choice for individuals passionate about promoting products they believe in. Starting with $1,000, you can create a website, blog, or social media presence dedicated to your chosen niche. Your primary goal is to recommend products or services, and in return, you earn a commission for each sale made through your referral. Invest your $1,000 wisely in quality content, SEO, and marketing to attract a loyal audience. Affiliate marketing offers the flexibility to choose products and services that align with your interests and expertise. It's a business model that thrives on trust and authenticity. Your recommendations must be honest and based on your genuine experience with the products or services you're promoting. 4. Content creation. Be the star of your show. In today's digital age, content creators are the new stars. If you have a knack for creating videos, podcasts, or written content, consider starting a YouTube channel, podcast, or blog. Invest your $1,000 in high-quality equipment, editing software, and marketing to boost your visibility. As your audience grows, monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, merchandise, and more. Your creativity and personality can take you far in the world of content creation. Expanding your content creation business may involve collaborations with other content creators, developing merchandise, or offering exclusive content to your most dedicated fans. As your audience grows, you'll find various monetization opportunities that can turn your passion into a profitable venture. 5. Online coaching. Share your expertise. If you possess expertise in a particular field or niche, you can become an online coach. Whether it's life coaching, business mentoring, fitness training, or any other area, there's a demand for your knowledge. Your $1,000 can be invested in creating a professional website, marketing, and tools for online sessions. Building a reputation takes time, but with dedication and a strong online presence, you can attract clients from around the world and turn your expertise into a profitable venture. That's a wrap for today's episode. We hope you're feeling inspired and ready to take the next step toward your online business dreams. Remember, success is just one step away, and you have the power to make it happen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and business tips. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your entrepreneurial journey. Thanks for joining us on this adventure, and we'll catch you in the next episode with even more exciting content to fuel your entrepreneurial spirit. Until then, keep dreaming big and making things happen. See you soon.